Karon sa Ricardo's, isa sa mga pinaka high-end o pinaka known kayo nga restaurant din sa Barangay Dahilayan, Manolo Portage, Bukidnon. Let's go. Let's get inside and let's see what is really inside, guys. Come on. Of I love Ricardo's, guys. Very elegant and very sang entrance. Let's get in. Oh. Hi.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Guys, nandito sa Ricardo's. Jan Oy is not around. Let's try to observe the surrounding of Ricardo's, guys. And if you have seen actually the videos, it's actually really getting part. Why? Because the ambience is so elegant and it's prosperous, guys. That the fact that really amazing the area is overlooking the forest. Let's try to observe the other surrounding, guys. All right, if you have observed, oh, love this area, you know? Yeah. So, muna ilahang fine dining area. So, luag-luag ilang fine dining area. They can actually accommodate thousands. All right. Let us see the other part of this restaurant, guys. Let's go at the second floor. All right, this is the bar. Wow. I love the surrounding, guys. The bar is nice. This is an old oak. So, it's a pretty design, guys. This is conceptualized by the owners actually, so it's nice. This is the bar. Alright. So, we will try to look at the second floor and the unsay na sa second floor. Come in, guys. The second floor, guys, is also for dining. And for sure, they will accept catering. So, this is the second floor. So, I open the doors. I close the door. Alright, guys, come on. So, this is one of their function room. So, I think 200, 100 packs they can accommodate here. So, this is the function room. It's air-conditioned. And kung dili mo ganahag air condition kaya ang dahilayan mo guys is very cold, so you can actually open the windows. So pag gusto sa mong aircon, now we have two floor mounted na aircon nga pwedeng magpabugnaw sa ato. Alright, let's proceed to the second. Now the second function room and for everybody. For example, if the ground floor is actually medyo busy, they can put the other guests here. No problem. They will open this for all of their guests. So, overlooking kay siya. Look at the surrounding. Pang-pang na kay siya. Overlooking kay siya. No, trawa sa ubos. It's a very nice place. Very environmental friendly. Alright, so diri na po tayo. Bukidnon room. Alright, so this is the Bukidnon room. So this can also be your function room, birthday, anniversary, or whatever kinds of events. For as long as they can accommodate you, then it can be possible here. Ricardo's will always find ways for you guys. Alright, let's get in the other area. Alright, wow. I love Ricardo's, guys. Alright, so nindot kay siya. Guys, Barangay Dahilayan in Manolo Portage is very, very progressive and it's a very accommodating area, especially to those who are actually outside of the barangay, outside of Manolo Portage. If you're from Bukidnon, if you're from Cagayan de Oro, Hingoog City, Butuan City, in any other parts of the northern Mindanao, Dahilayan now is a very booming barangay in Manolo Portage, Bukidnon. So to those who wanted to invest in Dahilayan, just PM us. We can actually. Muna ilang restroom din. They have restroom also, the other side there. So, lahi-lahi gyapon, of course, nahi pang babae, nahi pang lalaki. The restroom is there. Alright. So that's the restroom. Very elegant, huh? Look. Washing room, restroom for male and female, they have. All right, it's very nice. All right, come on. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Regards to the Jan, ha? Bye. Guys, Ricardo's in Dahilayan, in Barangay Dahilayan, Manolo Portage will always give you good accommodations. They can also accept your birthdays, any celebrations for as long as Ricardo's can accommodate you, then they will find ways for you guys. Ricardo's Dahilayan is the best restaurant in town. The Oy family, guys, has their own portrait in the, which actually displayed here in Ricardo's. Come in, let's get in and let's try to look at kung kinsa ilang papa, ilang lolo, ilang... Come on, let's talk about it here. Alright guys, Ricardo's has the family portrait where the owners display here in Ricardo's in Dahilayan, Manolo Portage, Bukidnon. Join us for this episode, ladies and gentlemen, is Mir. Hi, Mir.
Hello po, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Welcome
you.
to Ricardo's.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Welcome to Let's Stop with Jonas.
Thank you, sir.
Mir,
Yes,
tell us
sir.
about the portrait, please.
Yes, sir. Actually, this is Ricky, the Ricardo.
Oh,
He is the owner, a father of the owner. There's a family portrait here.
this is the family portrait, guys. Alright, muna ilang family portrait nila. Okay.
Yes, makita po diya, sir, ang family nila, which is
Alright, nice. Kini, kinsa man ni siya?
same, sir, in the younger picture of
So
Sir
this is
Ricky.
si Ricky.
Yes, sir.
Ang ilang papa ni Jan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kailan sila? Kinsa man ni?
Sa
Jan?
bata, pagidyapon siya, sir, si Sir Ricky.
Si Ricky. This actually all for Ricky.
Yes, for Sir Ricky.
Alright, good. At least they preserve the old
Yes.
photos. Huh?
And his wife, Ma'am Yoli.
Ma'am, you met her when I was actually managing an Italianist restaurant before in La Tegola. So, I've known them. Very nice family.
Yes.
Alright, so these are actually the portrait of the Oy family
Yes.
in Cagayan de Oro, who happen to be the owner of Ricardo's restaurant in Manolo Portage, Bukidnon, Dahilayan. Mayor, thank you very much for
You're welcome,
joining,
sir. Thank
and
you.
I am very happy.
Thank you for coming, sir.
Kabalo, wala, nagmahay si Jan ug si Margie. Napag-hire sa imo. Beautiful, guys. Look.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
All right,
you.
guys. Thank
Have a
you.
good day, sir.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
you.
Bye.